Okay, good morning student. In this session we have to learn about the Bryophyta. Second division, Bryophyta. Bryon means mass or liver words. Bryophytas are a small multicellular green land plants. It is a multicellular and green land plants. Multicellular and green land plants. See, we have to see that these multicellular is there and green is there. These are is a land plants. See, these simple land plants are confined to study the damp places. See, it is a basically they are going in. It is a growing in damp places, and they are also called amphibian of the plant kingdom. These Bryophyta are amphibian of plant kingdom. See, they are amphibian for plant kingdoms. Next, we have to see their plant body is a flat green thallus in liverworts. We have to see their body is a flat is there. It is a next we have to see the flat thallus in a liverwort and Riccia. Next, Markensia funaria. See, these plants is there. Next, we have to see they lack real root systems and leaves have no flowers. Is there any roots? No. Lack of root and stem, leaf and flower. So it is a there is no it is a specific structures like a root, stem, leaf, flower. Is there any specific system? No. Next we have to see a true vascular system also absent. Is there vascular system? True vascular system is absent. Vascular system also is absent in these organisms, Bryophytas. Next we have to see the gametes is attached to the substratum by means of hair-like outgrowths. It is a what's it? It is a hair-like outgrowth is a gametophyte is present, and rhizomes which absorb water and mineral from the substrations and saprophytes. See, lives as a parasite over it is a gametophytes. Sex organs is a multicellular and an embryo is a and it is a formed upon fertilization. See, Riccia, Markensia and it is a funaria. See, this like we have to see the rhizomes is there. See, this like rhizomes is a absorbing the roots. See, what is water and minerals. See, this like water and minerals. Minerals is a absorbing. It is a transporting through. Next, we have to see the their sex organs are multicellulars. See, this is a embryo is formed upon fertilization. Riccia and Markensia funaria. This is about the Bryophytas. We have to see once Bryophyta. We are calling that this is a mass liverwort. See, is there there is no definite leaf. Is there leaves, roots? Next we have to see the flowers. Stem is there? No. Next we have to see these are a multicellular and green land plants. That's why we are calling the amphibians of plant kingdoms. Next, true vascular system is absent. Next, through rhizomes they are taking the minerals and water. See, these about the it is a Riccia, Markensia funaria. These are a very important bryophytas. Next division, third division is a pteridophyta. See, we have to see the pteridophyta is and it is a iodophane like structure is there. See, they are found in shady and damp places. They are found in shady and damp places. It is a shady and damp places. Plant body is made of root, stem, leaves. See, plant body made of root, stem and leaves is present. Next, we have to see the well developed vascular system for conduction of. See, here is a well developed vascular system. Vascular system also is there for conduction of water and minerals. See, present. Next, we have to see the and other substances. See, it is a transporting these systems one part to another part. See, we have to see the one diagram also here. See this line. This like system is there. And root system also is there, this like. Marsillia. Example. Azolla. See, this like Marsillia. We have to see here is a specific system is there. See, leaf-like structure is there. See, this is a leaf-like structure is there. Leaf-like, and this is the stem. And we have to see here roots also is there. Roots. See, leaf, stem, roots also present. So it is a conduction of the water and mineral from one part to another part. See here, no flower and do not produce seeds. See, there is no flower. No flower and do not produce seeds. Is it producing the seeds? No, there is no flower, do not producing the seeds. 6 organs are multicellular. See, 6 organs are multicellular. Next, ejaculate by the sterile cells. Fertilization, egg develop into the embryo. Example, we have to see the what is here is a Selaginella. Next we have to see the Lycopodium. Next, horsetail, equistem. Next we have to see the fern, Marsilia. See Azolla. See this, like we have to see the what say third division Pteridophyta, and it is a add-ons. Ferns like is there. They are found in shady and damp places. Wet places or damp places is there. These plants is growing. See, plant body is made of the root, stem and leaves is present in this body. It is a developed. Next, well developed vascular system or vascular tissues also present. The conduction of water and minerals. See, no flowers and do not produce the seeds. Next, sex organs are multicellular. Selaginella, example Selaginella, Lycopodium, Equistem, Marsilia and Azolla. These are about the Pteridophyta.